Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of Spin Masters Bakugan Battle Planet Bakugan Resurgence 10 card booster pack. So Bakugan.com and SpinMaster.com, links to the websites down below in the description there. They said that they have the apps on Google and Android, not Android, but Apple and the Google Play Store. The apps not that great. The anime is pure garbage. The Bakugan are way too overpriced. So yeah, this is not the greatest season of Bakugan. It's nice that they finally made a return, and Bakugan came back on the air, but on the toy shelves, but not that best compared to the old school original Bakugan, which it had a lot more gimmicks and features as it went on. Remember the Titanium Surge, the Bakugan traps and the armor and stuff, and then some Bakugan could combine with each other. But you could take like a Chaos and a Chaos and combine with another third Chaos because they had like special packs that did that. They even had like some Marvel crossover packs with like Iron Man Bakugan and I think a Venom one. Don't know if they made a Spider-Man and Carnage. Can't remember those two. And then they had like a War Machine, or maybe it was War Machine Mark II at the time, because I don't think it was War Machine Mark III from Iron Man. So it had to be at least the Mark II model for the War Machine from Iron Man, because it was like Iron Man 2, I want to say, that they did a Marvel's crossover with. But yeah, it was just a little bit better as that. So I don't know if you noticed, but there is a code between the Brawlers and the Resurgence pet. The Brawlers pet is 81015AZV, and the Resurgence pet is 90222AZ1. So yeah, don't know why they put them in these cover partitions, which is pure garbage. I mean, the artwork looks nice, but time you open it up out of the partition, yeah, what type of collector wants to have this pinned up hanging on their wall? You know what kind? No one. That's the type of collector that wants to have this, because no collector wants to have it. Seriously, like with Pokemon, they even do it with like these meta boxes and stuff. You know, which I don't get. That's just kind of stupid. Like, why? Why would you do it like that? Like, why not just put it in a blister pack? That you tear open the original junky version of the cardboard, and then you have your packs. Or if you sold the packs individually, put like those little metal strips on there. Those little security tags. So like, if you walk out, the story goes beep 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 beep, and you're like, oh man, I got caught stealing a pair of cards. Wasn't anything good like a TV or an Xbox or a PlayStation or a Switch or anything like that. Of course, I never got caught because I never stole anything. I just paid with cash and stuff. But you get what I'm saying, right? Like, why couldn't they just have like a little tab here that the board just tabs in, and then maybe put a little sticker to seal it? Well, then all you have to do is take a little knife, cut the seal, the sticker seal, or just peel back the little sticker type of seal, and then untab it, and then open it up. Way better idea. Come on. There's a lot of collectors out there, but hey, these card companies wants to be stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I know the Pokemon company does it a lot. I mean, Yu-Gi-Oh! They don't do it because Yu-Gi-Oh! They know what they're doing with Konami. But the Pokemon Company International, yeah, they put some of their booster packs and cards and packs like this, which this one opened up good for us today, but yeah. Don't know if you can notice there, but there is a little tear notch that you could just tear it open. This one actually has two notches, one back there and one here. Usually they just have one. That I've been noticing. Although some I do see has two. So we're going to just cheat a little bit because I'm old school. So let's tear it open. I do love that, the booster pack packaging for the foil packaging does match the packaging on the outside of the cardboard box. That is a nice little touch. So here's our bucket cards. Now this one's obviously showing us that it is a flip card. Well, I guess Autumn is a flip card, which just kind of like Magic the Gathering, you know, when you have your mana, and you're like, okay, I now tap this card to play this card. I tap my mana. Now I play this card as a mana. Yeah, so. Right off the bat, we have Hyper Serpentine. Cost free, it's a Ventus. 900B, Evolve 4 fists, and then showing that it has a jab plus 6 punch. Sword Barrage 2 for Pyrus action plus 4 fists. If there's a BAKUGAN if that BAKUGAN is holding a jab plus 8 punch instantly. Okay. Maximum Gorif 7 cost 7 is a Ventus version. 1000B Evo 12 punch, which is not that bad. That's pretty good. You may reroll this card once each turn if you miss a roll. Then we have a Constrictor, cost 1. Flip, a BAKUGAN holding the jab symbol or the DNA symbol. Web Snare, cost 0. Ventus, stop a BAKUGAN holding a reverse flaming fist. Okay. Then we had Darkness Snare. What is this snare? Oh, Web Snare. Then we had Darkness Snare. Again, cost 0, flip. A BAKUGAN holding kind of like the Voltron Quest type of shield. That's what it looks like. It looks like the little shield that's on the chest of Voltron, like his little quest, where he has like the little cross on there and stuff. Then we have Tristan Inferno. Cost 3, action. For Pyrus, remove any enemy's BAKUGAN Bakucore and negate its effect. You place the Bakucore onto the field face down. If one of your BAKUGAN is holding a jab fist, draw a card. Anger, cost 2. Again, it's Pyrus, plus 3B. Fury, if you have no cards in hand, draw 2 cards, and then we have this kind of like Gotex, which they made real small here. Chaos, Maximum, Matrixnoid, Ultra, cost 6. 1100 B, Evolve 8 fists. If you have 3 or more hero cards in play, you may play this for free. So that's it. And then we have a Bakucore Howl Foiled Titan. Penetrates Ultra, cost 4 is the Aquas Fern. 1000B, Evolve 6 punch. Victory, reveal the top card of your deck. This card gets plus fists equal to twice the revealed card's cost. So wow, so if you get a card that costs like 3, you'll be getting plus 6. If it costs 4, then you'll be getting plus 8. Not that good. And when I say Bakucore, I mean, as you could kind of see it, if I could get it to shine somewhat in the light here. See, like all those little cores that just popped up? I guess if we're going by Yu-Gi-Oh card Howl Foil knowledge here, because in Yu-Gi-Oh Howl Foils, there's, you know, Shattered Foil and Star Foil, so I guess this would be Bakucore foiled. If we're trying to go off of Yu-Gi-Oh card foil, you know, special edition foil logic things. So yeah, don't forget to hit that bell, notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below in the description. Alright, thanks, bye.